Welcome back, gamers. Video game. In today's video, we're revealing the top gaming tablets of 2025. Devices so powerful you can play like a pro anywhere. From budget-friendly beasts to full PC-class hybrids, let's jump straight into our top 5 picks. Number 5. Lenovo Legion Tab Y700, 2025 US edition. If you're looking for a compact but powerful gaming tablet under $500, the Lenovo Legion Tab Y700 deserves the number 5 spot on our 2025 countdown. Originally a China-exclusive hit, Lenovo's Legion Y700 is making a 2025 push into the USA, targeting gamers who want a pocketable, Android-based powerhouse. Performance. The Y700 features Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, or its 2025 refresh, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This means buttery-smooth gameplay across all major Android titles and emulators. It supports high refresh rates, 120 Hz on an 8.8-inch LCD panel, giving shooters and action games that crisp, ultra-responsive feel. Benchmarks show the Y700 outperforming many mid-range phones and even some larger tablets. Gaming features. Lenovo tuned the Y700 with gamers in mind. Dedicated Legion software to tweak performance modes, custom game triggers, and an advanced cooling system with a large vapor chamber. Unlike general Android tablets, this one keeps frame rates steady even during long gaming sessions, reducing thermal throttling. Portability and build. At just under 400 grams, the Y700 is extremely portable, perfect for commuters, students, or travelers. The aluminum chassis feels premium, and its 8.8-inch size strikes a nice balance between screen real estate and portability. The compact footprint also makes it ideal as a dedicated controller-style gaming setup with Bluetooth gamepads. Multimedia and battery. Dual JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver punchy sound, making movies and games more immersive. The 6550 mAh battery supports 45W fast charging, meaning you can top it up quickly between matches or while on lunch break. USB-C 3.1 support ensures faster data transfer and low latency wired controller connections. Wi-Fi. The Lenovo Legion Tab Y700 earns its spot at number 5 because it fills a niche, an affordable, small-form gaming tablet with enthusiast-level features. It's perfect for gamers who don't need a giant screen but still demand high refresh rates, strong audio, and serious processing power. Verdict: if you're on a budget but want a dedicated gaming tablet in 2025, the Legion Y700 is a standout. With its mix of portability, performance, and price, it's a great entry point before moving up to the bigger, pricier models on our list. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Coming in at number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, the Android flagship built for serious performance and huge screen gaming. If you've ever wished your gaming tablet could double as a full entertainment hub, this is the one. Massive display. The S9 Ultra's 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with 120 Hz refresh rate is the largest and most vibrant display on any mainstream tablet in 2025. For gaming, that means more screen real estate, HDR visuals, and buttery-smooth animations. Games like PUBG Mobile or Diablo Immortal feel console-like thanks to the ultra-low touch latency. Power under the hood. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, optimized by Samsung, paired with up to 16 GB RAM, it handles even the heaviest Android titles without stutter. The X mode turns the tablet into a near-desktop environment for streaming or multitasking while gaming. Audio and accessories. Quad AKG-tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos produce cinematic sound, while the included S Pen doubles as a stylus or customizable controller in certain games. Add a Bluetooth controller, and you essentially have a portable console. Battery and build. A giant 11,200 mAh battery plus 45W fast charging means marathon gaming sessions. The slim aluminum body is sturdy yet lightweight for its size. An IP68 water resistance adds peace of mind if you're gaming outdoors. Why 4? The Tab S9 Ultra ranks 4th because it offers unmatched display quality and premium build, but its very large size makes it less portable than smaller tablets. Still, if you're a serious Android gamer who values big, bold visuals, it's unbeatable. Verdict: the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is your go-to for immersive gaming and productivity combined. It's essentially the big screen experience of mobile gaming. Number 3, iPad Air M2 2025. Sliding into number 3, Apple's iPad Air M2 2025 is the sweet spot for iOS gaming. It brings Apple Silicon's performance to a lightweight, relatively affordable tablet. Apple Silicon Muscle. The new M2 chip with 8-core GPU lets you run AAA titles on iPadOS and take advantage of Apple Arcade, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and high-end emulators. Frame rates are rock solid even at max settings on graphically intensive games. Display and portability. A 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with 120Hz ProMotion offers vibrant colors and smooth animations. At just over 1 pound, it's easy to hold for extended gaming sessions or travel. Ecosystem advantage. Pair it with a PlayStation or Xbox controller via Bluetooth for near-console gameplay. Apple's Metal API and tight hardware-software integration give lower input lag than most Android devices. Battery and build. All-day battery life, up to 10 hours mixed use, plus fast USB-C charging keep you going. The slim aluminum chassis and color options add style without sacrificing durability. Why 3? The iPad Air M2 lands at 3 because it delivers almost pro power at a mid-tier price. You get 80–90% of the iPad Pro's gaming performance without the premium price tag. Verdict: for gamers who want Apple quality without the Pro's cost, the iPad Air M2 is the ultimate mainstream iOS gaming tablet of 2025. Number 2, Asus ROG Flow Z13 Gaming Tablet Mode. At number 2 is the Asus ROG Flow Z13, a hybrid gaming tablet that blurs the line between laptop and slate. If you want true PC-class gaming on a tablet form factor, nothing beats it. Laptop-class hardware. Running Intel's 14th Gen Core i9 processor with NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, or similar 2025 refresh, the Flow Z13 can play full PC games natively, not just mobile titles. Detach the magnetic keyboard, and it transforms into a gaming tablet with a kickstand. Display. Its 13.4-inch QHD plus 165Hz touchscreen supports Dolby Vision and Adaptive Sync. This means console-level visuals and ultra-smooth response for FPS or racing games. Versatility. Because it's Windows 11, you can install Steam, Epic, Battle.net, basically your entire PC library. Add Asus's XG Mobile external GPU for even more power when docked at home. Cooling and build. Liquid metal cooling, vapor chamber, and a robust magnesium alloy frame ensure performance stays steady during long gaming sessions. Dual speakers and high-res webcam make it a full productivity machine too. Why 2? We've placed the Flow Z13 at number 2 because while it's by far the most powerful, it's also the most expensive of the bunch, typically just under or around $2,000. Still, nothing else matches its ability to run PC games on the go. Verdict: If you want uncompromised performance and flexibility in tablet form, the Asus ROG Flow Z13 is your weapon of choice. Number 1. iPad Pro M4 2025. Finally, at number 1, we have Apple's iPad Pro M4 2025, the pinnacle of portable gaming power and polish. This year's Pro raises the bar again with Apple's next-gen silicon. Unmatched performance. The M4 chip with 12-core GPU pushes console-class graphics at high frame rates, easily handling everything from Apple Arcade exclusives to AAA cloud gaming and pro-level creative apps. Display and audio. A stunning 12.9-inch OLED XDR+ display with 120Hz refresh and true HDR brings visuals to life. Quad speakers with spatial audio deliver theater-like sound for games and media alike. Accessories and ecosystem. With the new Magic Keyboard and ProMotion Apple Pencil, the iPad Pro doubles as a laptop replacement. For gaming, you can pair any major controller or even use touch controls optimized for iPadOS. Battery and build. Despite the power, it maintains 10-12 hours battery life with ultra-fast charging. Its slim, recycled aluminum build is both premium and environmentally friendly. Why 1? The iPad Pro M4 sits atop our list because it offers the best combination of performance, display, battery life, and app ecosystem. It's also the most future-proof, with Apple promising years of OS and gaming support. Verdict: for gamers and power users alike, the iPad Pro M4 is simply the best gaming tablet you can buy in 2025. And that's our list of the top gaming tablets of 2025. Which one would you choose for your next gaming adventure? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more gear guides, and check the description for up-to-date links and deals.